Shut down everything, as in break everything. Oh good. Oh, it's just them. It's alright. I thought it was the other snow-dwelling vermin. I want my enemies beyond extra crispy. I want them ashy. Ashy ketchumy. No. Ugh. I haven't seen that video, but it sounds dodgy. Whoa! Not as dodgy as this. Oh! Oh, it's okay then. Oh, there's even a ladder, which isn't very laddery. It's more bladdery. Certainly makes me need a pee anyway. Because I do right now, just so you know. Oh great, more water puzzle. Maybe I don't want to be here. Splash. Your earth. What is the use of this? Hydro displacement. Thanks for the water. I'm just gonna go and squirt it all over the place. Oh! Get up! What the hell is going on? Thank you. Ah, there's a bolt in there. How random. Hup! I don't even know what 77 centimeters would be without getting a ruler. I have no sense of measurement or whatever the heck. Money! Money Island! My favourite. The island itself is made of money. No. Ooh! Well, this place looks rubbish. I don't want to play this area. Conveyor belts remind me of other games. Nom 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 nom. No, pee off. Thanks. No. No. Made me jump. Horrific game. As in horror game. Glove of Doom sticks. Health? Yeah, as if I need that. Oh, I did. I didn't know. Ah, full tastiness again. What are you doing? Get out! Get out the... God. Every game is glitchy as fudge. Oh no, who's this? Bob, again.
Hey buddy, what's shaking?
No.
Oh my goodness!
Oh my goodness, boy howdy.
Aren't you just a little angel?
What are you?
I'm a little robot. You're funny too. Yeah? Works on everything. You be nice.
Yeah.
I think I got something special for you. How would you like a hydro pack upgrade? That would be quite helpful for swimming underwater.
It would. Cave entrance? No. Maybe I do want to go back to the cave entrance. I guess I do. Whoop. I don't need to wait. Oh, bomb attack! Not again! Oh. Can't even kill it without going to first person. A platform magically appeared when it died, without an effect. It was just there. I want to play Spyro 2 again. Oi, give me my gun back. Why did the health die? Didn't even touch it in bad places. Pop. Yeah, I bet you didn't think I'd remember I could do that. Because I'm an idiot, and you all know it. I supposed to get through this? Probably run back and wait for them to stop coming. No. This floor isn't even snow. What are you coming out of? There's the penis buster. Gonna have to bust it up. Where do I go? I don't know. Oh. Now I do. No! Dodgy. Oh. It's not the time. Oh. You can aim. Oh no, not the planet porn again. That happened last time I streamed this game. That's why I haven't streamed it for over a month. Oh! No, it isn't actually. Oh, go away. You're gonna get yourself blown up by coming out here. Ah! Haha! How skill of me! That was even intended, and I'm not even kidding for once. Oh man. Oh! Scared me. So which way do you want me to go? Oh, looks like they both lead there anyway. Random thing on the floor. It's like they actually put effort into the level design. Random arena with nothing going on.
We are too late. The ship is leaving.
No, it isn't.
Hang on. There's an old defense turret over there.
Turret?
Hey, are you thinking what I'm thinking? I sincerely doubt it.
What? Why would you not be thinking that? Ooh! Go away. Why has it stopped to shoot me? It should be leaving, because it's gonna die. What am I supposed to be killing? That?